Gunasandhi has 3 rules. We write swaras, it is a, e, u, r. In that order, if we check, when we add a to the next 3 swaras in the order, it is Gunasandhi. And we get the next composite swaras as the answer. That is, when we write a plus e, it is read as a. In English language also, same. A plus e, a. A plus u. How do you write? A and u in English. And it can be read as o. And a plus r. When you write in English a and r, it will be read as r. That is ar. Two letters will come here as answer. For a plus e, a is the answer. A plus u, o is the answer. A and o are swaras only. But when we add a and r, it becomes a and ra replaces the sound r. Ra vyanjan replaces the sound r. Dhyatavyam yat. Here what you should memorize is a or a varnabhyam paschad yadi e, u, r, lr edeshu varneshu kaschid varnaha agachati tarhi dvayoho varnayoho sthane kramashah e, o, ar, al iti bhavati. So we will be removing a and e, or a and u, a and r also, and we will be writing the answers. Both the swaras will be taken out to write these swaras or ar, and when it is added with r, al also as the answer. So in these examples, pari plus iksha, e plus e is dirgha e. So when the answer is dirgha, that tells that it is dirgha sandhi. Answer is pariksha. Chanchala plus urmihi. A plus u is o. When it is composite swaras, a, o, a or o, as answer it is gunasandhi. Answer is chanchalormihi. Para plus upakaraha, again gunasandhi. A plus u is o, paropakaraha. Chala plus achale. Answer is a, dirgha sandhi. Answer chalachale. Niyama plus ullanghanam. Answer is o matra, niyamolanghanam. Gunasandhi. Harsha plus ullasaha. This word, when you are writing, it should be careful because ra comes above sha. That get transferred to o matra. Harshollasaha, when we write it as one word, ra becomes on the o matra, not on the sha. That change happens to the word only for this word. Wherever in fact ra comes, this change happens. Harshollasaha gunasandhi. Bala plus induhu, balenduhu, a matra is on la. Ravi plus indraha, ravindraha, it becomes dirgha, e matra, ravindraha. Next sandhi is vridhi sandhi. Vridhi sandhi, we are addressing the leftover composite swaras. The leftover composite swaras are I and au. A and o, already we discussed how it comes in gunasandhi. Now only composite swaras left are I and au. So how will we get I? Or when we split the swara I, we get it as a plus a or a plus I. Both hraswa or dirgha a, when added with a or I, it becomes I. Then both hraswa or dirgha a, when added with o or au, it becomes au. A varnabhyam paschad yadi a, I, o, au edeshu varneshu kaschit varnaha agachati tarhi dvayoho varnayoho sthane kramashah e, au bhavataha. Now let's answer these questions. Maha plus oshadhihi. A plus o. will be au. According to Vridhi Sandhi rules, all these examples are. So, mahaushadihi. O matra becomes au matra. Mata plus aikyam. I matra will come above ta. Mataikyam. Jala plus oghaha. Jalaughaha. Again, O matra changes into au matra. Vitta plus eshana. Vittaishana. I matra comes above the letter ta. Adya plus eva, adyaiva. Again, I matra comes above dya. Sada plus eva, sadaiva. I matra comes above da. Maha plus aishwaryam, mahaishwaryam. I matra comes above ha, mahaishwaryam. Guda plus odanam. Guda ending in a. Odanam beginning with o. Gudaudanam. Au matra comes after da. O matra becomes au matra. Prarthana plus esha. Prarthanaisha. Prarthanaisha when we tell. So, I matra comes above na. Sa plus esha. Saisha. I matra comes above sa.